You're sitting on a gold mine, and you don't even know it. While you're trying to learn skills, build audience, figure out what to sell, other people are quietly selling digital products every single day without creating everything from scratch. Here's what nobody explains properly. Most beginners don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they start with zero assets. No product, no bundle, no system, just motivation, which dies in 10 days. And that's the real problem. You want to start an online business, but you don't know what to sell. You don't have time to create 100 ebooks, courses, templates, planners, or software tools. And hiring someone? Expensive. So you stay stuck. Now here's the shift. Instead of building everything from zero, you leverage what's already built. On my webpage, I've listed millions of digital product bundles and singles with PLR and MRR rights. What does that actually mean? It means you get ready-made digital products, you get the rights to resell them, you can rebrand them, you can bundle them, you can sell them individually, you can use them as lead magnets. Step 1, pick a niche. Health, finance, self-growth, marketing, whatever fits your audience. Step 2, choose a bundle or single product from the collection. Step 3, rebrand it, upload it to your website, Gumroad, Shopify, or even your own funnel, and start selling. Simple, strategic, scalable. From my experience, most people waste 6 to 12 months trying to create something perfect. Meanwhile, smart creators focus on distribution and positioning. Here's what most people don't realize. In digital business, ownership plus licensing rights equal leverage. That's exactly what PLR and MRR give you. And if you're serious about building a real online digital business, not just watching motivational reels, then this is a practical starting point. If anyone is interested in starting their own online digital business, comment below. I'll help you build a website like this step by step. Or if you just want to purchase products individually and use them for your own brand, that option is also available. Also, check the link in the description. There's a special section with free digital products exclusively for our valuable viewers. This is AvsDigiPro. On AvsDigiPro, we don't just talk about making money online. We build digital assets that work for you. If you found value in this, like the video, comment your niche below. Subscribe for more practical strategies. Thank you.